How to get $100 TEMU coupon code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Here you're going to find the search box. Type in TEMU coupon code and search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, coupon follow. Open it. With that, you will be directed to the official website of it. Once you're in the website, you're going to find amazing offers and deals for it. You can see that 80% off, 30% off, $25 off, and many more. Hit towards any of the offer that you want to grab, just click on it. With that, you're going to get the code for it. Make sure you check the expiration date of the code, whether it is valid or not. If it is valid, copy the code, then click on redeem at TEMU. You'll be directed to the official website of it. Once you're in the website, log into your account, make your purchase, and proceed to checkout. While in the checkout page, you're going to find the section of codes. Over there, type in your code and confirm your purchase. With that, you're going to get the discount for your purchase. Also, you can try out other offers, as in this website, you're going to find tons of offers and deals for TEMU. The process is exact same. Lastly, what you can do is head back. Once you're in this website section, you can also try out other website. You can head towards this one website, Groupon. This is also the legit website where you're going to find amazing offers and deals for TEMU. So this way you can easily get up to $100 working coupon code for TEMU. If this video was helpful, smash that like button, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.